Hi, I'm Matteo from Zaitex company, and it's a pleasure to host you here in our booth. Zaitex company is a 50 years old company. We are from Italy, and for us is I don't remember how many times we were here, but is one of the time we are here. We are in the market from many years with a good business, with a good relationship with our customer, and here our expectation is to increase our reliability versus our customer, and also the connection of the market. We are focused mainly in dyeing. We can say that we are of the most important supplier in dyeing here, and all solutions that we give are new solutions customized for the customer, and also from the point of view of sustainability, we offer a solution that cut the time of the cycle, less water and less energy. This is the way that we offer our product in order to be in the sustainability field. I think that nowadays Bangladesh is already one of the most important country for textile industry, and also in the years I saw a very big investment also to renew the facilities. I think that to be more competitive you should work in this way. Year per year invest to have every year more sustainable product and more sustainable facility from the point of view of the work and the worker. The expectation of the exhibition, as usual, is very high.